Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Dash Coin. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Dash Coin was the resistance of a huge falling wedge pattern on its 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that we had recently a powerful attempt to break out the resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that we had a powerful spike beyond the resistance, but so far it is not able to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. By the way, since after the month of December 2017, it is moving inside this wedge. When we first time found the resistance, a very long-term resistance, and here we found the support in the month of October 2020. Then we had a bounce, then we got rejection here. We had so many touch points at the support, and now here we got another rejection, and this is almost uh, fifth week. You can see that after the rejection, it falls one, two, and this is the fourth week that it is again moving at the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this wedge was formed within this bigger falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge, we formed this channel and out as I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Dash that I shared almost 24 hours ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 65% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Dash that I shared almost 24 hours ago with my members, almost 2 days ago with my members, by the way. And that was a bullish Garley move that Dash Coin completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a very, very powerful reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target line. So far, it has pumped almost 65% within 2 days. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Dash Coin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, even for the past few years, it is moving inside this huge falling wedge pattern. And while moving inside this wedge, it formed a smaller falling wedge pattern, this one. And by the way, in this wedge, it was also moving in since after the month of October 2020. We found the support here, then we got bounced from the support. Then we got rejection by the resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern alongside we got rejected by this resistance of the smaller falling wedge pattern as well. We got another rejection here. Then we had a bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And finally, we broke out this smaller wedge. Then we broke out this channel. And now, after this pump, the price then again dropped down and it is finally reached the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern. Along with that, it's also trying to break out this long-term resistance that is here at $60. And by the way, the $60 has been previously acting as a point of rejection here and support here for several weeks a month and support here as well. Therefore, again, it is acting as a resistance. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from the smaller wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $400. And the long-term target after the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.